Welcome traders. Today I had a very long day. I won't be explaining much. I'll just give you the key points of the strategy so that you can refresh your mind and know exactly what to do to find these good trades. Okay, and if you are wondering why I have such a big account, you should check out this prop firm. It's a very good prop firm. I like their payout of 95%. Okay, so when you make a profit on this prop firm, 95% of the profit is yours. And the good thing, you have this free trial account to test your strategies before you can buy any account. So just come here and check this out. Let's just go back to the strategy. Where can we start? EuroCAD. Let's just start on CAD JPY. So for CAD JPY, okay, let me open it on the bigger screen. Okay, this is CAD JPY. Remember traders that you start by looking for a time frame that will give you a clear picture of the market. Okay, and by a clear picture I mean a clear trend of the market. It doesn't matter on which time frame you find it, but the moment you find it, know that that's money for you. So for me, I found it on the 5-minute time frame. Of course, you start on the daily and then you move down until you can see a clear trend. As you can see on this 5 minutes time frame, that it's very easy to see what price is doing. Very easy. Just check this out. Okay, check this out. That was an uptrend or an upward channel, and then when price closed below there, that was a clear breakout. Of course, it's not always that you are going to find price making that breakout. Sometimes you find that price is already in this region. Okay, like myself, I found it somewhere there. So what you do, you check the previous chart or previous data on the chart, and then to know that this is a real breakout, remember that price should have closed below this key level. Okay, remember that you look at these turning points that are on the trend line, the turning points that are touching the trend line. So the recent one was this one. Okay, so this was the recent one, so you mark it like that. If price happens to close below this, you know that it is a true breakout and you can sell there with 100% confidence. Just sell. You will definitely make it. Let me just take maybe another one. Okay, let me see what we have. We have CHF JPY, so let's check that. Okay, don't be afraid of the smaller time frames. It's where you find clear pictures of the market or a clear trend. Okay, it is where you find a clear trend, but of course you have to start on the higher time frame. So right here, remember what I said, whenever you have 3 touches, know that it is a trend line or a key level. So right here you had those 3 or 4 touches. Okay, so you could draw a trend line somewhere there, or just mark it as a key level like that. Okay, and then once you have that, you know that price will always react when it gets to this region. So okay, after price rejected there, I knew it was going to sell, and of course the sell was confirmed. Let me show you on the smaller time frame. After price managed to close first below that key level, okay, because notice that even though it's not clear, this was sort of an uptrend. Okay, there was sort of an uptrend. You should do this every day so that you are familiar with it, traders. And then there was a breakout there, and it was confirmed here as a true breakout after price closed below this key level. Okay, remember, you look at the points that are touching the trend line. So price closed below there, you confirm it as a sell, and then you sell with much confidence. So for today, let me just leave it here, traders. Remember that you start by going through the time frames and try to find a time frame that will give you a clear picture of what is happening in the market. And then once you have found that, try to mark the channels. Okay, try to mark the channels, and then once you observe a breakout, mark the points that are touching the trend line. You mark the points that are touching the trend line, and then you mark the recent one as your key level. If price closes below it, you sell with confidence. And for your take profits, that's your first take profit, that's your second take profit, that's your third take profit, that's your fourth take profit. This thing is as easy as that. Don't complicate matters. I wish you the best. Practice this every day. Much love. Thank you for watching these videos. Continue subscribing to this channel. See you on my next video tomorrow.